Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to protect your mattress, you're going to want to check out this mattress protector from Sleepsteady. The first thing I noticed about this mattress protector is what amazing quality it is. The top layer is made out of Tencel, the bottom is waterproof, and the sides are so soft and very stretchy. You can fit mattresses up to 18 inches because the sides are very long, and it's a perfect fit for, in my case, a queen size mattress. Something that sets this mattress protector apart from all the rest is that Tencel layer on top. It naturally wicks moisture away from your body, so it keeps you nice and cool and dry all night long, which is really nice. It has a very luxurious feel to it. It's so comfortable to sleep on, and one of my favorite things about it is that it's really easy to clean. You can just throw it into the washer and dryer and you're all set. So if you're in the market for a mattress protector, look no further. You're going to want to try this one from Sleepsteady. Not only does it protect your mattress, but it doesn't compromise on comfort, which is what we're all looking for, and that's my point of view.